Hello and welcome back. Today we learn how to add and subtract decimals step by step. Let us start by adding 0.2 and 0.4 using a visual model. Imagine a square divided into 10 equal parts. Now here each part is 0.1. Shade two parts in green to represent 0.2. Then shade 4 parts in orange to represent 0.4. When we combine the green and the orange parts, we have 6 parts in total, which is equal to 0.6. Now to visualize this, we can shade those 6 parts in blue color. Now let us take another example, 0.3 plus 0.7. Now shade 3 parts in one color to represent 0.3. 7 parts in a different color to represent 0.7. When we add them, we fill the entire square, which is equal to 1 whole or 1. Please remember, adding decimals is just like adding whole numbers. The only difference is that decimals involve fractions. Always remember to align the decimal points when writing the numbers one below the other to make addition easier and accurate. Take a third example, adding hundredths. Add 0.61 plus 0.21. This is 0.61 and to this you add 0.21. So as before, all these we can shade in one color, which is equal to 0.82. Take the third type of addition of decimals using models. 0.2 plus 0.33. You can take as before one visual model representing 0.2 and one more 0.33. Now when you add both, we get here, how much is this? It's equal to 0.53. That is 0.2 plus 0.33 is equal to 0.53. Next is addition of decimals using place value chart. As you all know, a place value chart simplifies working with decimals by keeping everything aligned, especially the decimal points. It helps us ensure accuracy in calculations and comparisons. And then you have to add column by column. So take an example, add 1.2 plus 0.35. So take the place value chart, here thousands is not required. Then write the numbers 1.2 plus 0.35. Now 1.2 you can write it as 1.20 to make the decimal places same. And now you can add the hundredths place first. 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 2 plus 3 is 5, decimal point and 1. Therefore the answer is 1.55. Now take one more example. Add 2.68 plus 3.57. So you write here in the place value chart both the numbers. You have to add column by column starting from the right and remember to carry over if needed. Now here in this particular question, first you will add 8 plus 7, which is 15. So 5 you will write here and carry over 1 to the tens place. So you have 1 plus 6 plus 5, which is 12. Again you have to carry over 1 to the ones place. And then you will add 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 6. And therefore the answer is 6.25. Now let us take one more example. Add 3.456 plus 2.789. Arrange this in the place value chart and then start adding column by column from the rightmost place. First you add the thousands place, 6 plus 9, which is 15. Write 5 in the thousands place and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. And then you can add 5 plus 8 plus 1, which is 14. Write 4 in the hundreds place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now 4 plus 7 plus 1 is 12. Write 2 in the tens place and carry over 1 to the ones place. And then you have 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 6. and therefore the final answer is 6.245. Subtraction of decimals using place value chart. I shall take 3 examples now here, out of which first one and third one I shall show you, and we'll do 7.8 minus 2.4. 8 minus 4 is 4 decimal, then 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore the difference is 5.4. Now take the last one. For that we have thousands place also. So you write here 5.673 and then 2.489. Now start from the extreme right, 3 minus 9. So 3 minus 9, for that, as you do in whole numbers, exactly in the same way you borrow 1 from 7 and that will become 6 here, and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4, and 6 minus 8 is again not possible. So you borrow 1 from 6 from the tens place, and so in tens place it becomes 5, and hundreds place it will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8, and 5 minus 4 in the tens place will become 1 decimal point, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, the final answer is 3.184. Hope you have understood how to add and subtract using place value chart. Now let us take one question. Imagine you are at a store buying apples and bananas. Apples cost 5.75, that is, you can think it as 5 rupees 75 paise or $5.75, and bananas $3.60 or 3 rupees 60 paise. How much will you pay in total? For that, cost of apples 575 and the cost of bananas 360. Add. Now as before, start from extreme right, hundreds place. 5 plus 0 is 5, then the tens place, 7 plus 6 is 13. So carry 1 to the ones place. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. So we get here 9.35. Now use the calculator. 5.75 plus 3.60, you will get 9.35. Now let us do some more word problems. Julie has a piece of ribbon that is 3.75 meters long. She cuts off 1.28 meters for a craft project. How much ribbon does she have left? So again, as before, step 1, you have to set up the subtraction using a place value chart. 3.75 and then 1.28. And step 2, you have to subtract column by column. First is 5 minus 8, not possible. Borrow 1 from tens place. So 7 will become 6 and 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 6 minus 2, that is in the tens place, 6 minus 2 will give you 4, then the decimal point, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is Julie has 2.47 meters of ribbon left. Now the next question, a construction worker measures the length of 2 planks of wood. The first plank is 2.85 meters long and the second plank is 1.49 meters long. What is the total length of the 2 planks combined? And write what is given. First plank is 2.85 meters long. Second plank is 1.49 meters long. And you have to add. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So 4 carry over 1, which is 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Then you have to put a decimal and here carry over 1, and you get here 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. So the answer is the total length of 2 planks combined is 4.34 meters. Here is the third question. A truck delivers 356.25 kilograms of cement to a construction site. If 129.40 kilograms are used on the first day, how much cement remains? So that means it is a subtraction question. You can pause the video and try to answer it yourself. I have done the working here. You can try yourself and check the answer. 226.85 kilograms cement remains. Now the last question. A watermelon weighs 4.36 kilograms and a pineapple weighs 2.58 kilograms. What is the combined weight of the two fruits? That means you have to find out the total. As before, you write the weight of watermelon, then the weight of the pineapple, and then you add both. So the answer is the combined weight of the two fruits is 6.94 kilograms. Great job learning how to add and subtract decimal. Here is a tip to remember. Always align decimal points before adding or subtracting. Remember to carry over or borrow when needed. Practice is the key to mastering these concepts, so keep solving problems. In our next video, we'll explore another topic from decimals, so stay tuned. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. See you in the next lesson.